every choice. You shape the world. I walked through fire, I stood in the storm. Had to become what I never was born. Every decision I carried away. I'm shaping my path, I'm designing my fate. Pressure was heavy, it built on my name. Now I move different, I'm one with the flame. I seen the darkness, I turn it to light. Now every step that I take redefine. Every move got a ripple effect. Every breath got a word to protect. Balance in my hands, I can shift what's next. I can build or I can correct. Whoa! Rise to the moment, don't run from the flame. This is the path, I remember my name. Every decision I carry the weight. I'm shaping the world, every move that I make. Blaze the trail, I'm ahead of the rest. I am the fire, the storm, and the breath. Legacy calling, I answer the flame. I don't just live, I'm rewriting the game. I seen power that could break a soul, but I chose balance, I chose control. What is a king if he rules with fear? What is a path if it's not made clear? I stood with giants, I faced the unknown. Now I don't follow, I build my own. Every choice that I make leaves a mark. I turn the chaos to light from the dark. Now it's deeper than me, it's the world I create. Every step that I take shifts the way. Balance in motion, it's never too late. I define, I design, I dictate. Rise to the moment, don't run from the flame. This is the path, I remember my name. Every decision I carry the weight. I'm shaping the world, every move that I make. Blaze the trail, I'm ahead of the rest. I am the fire, the storm, and the breath. Legacy calling, I answer the flame. I don't just live, I'm rewriting the game. Rewriting the game. Every step, every line becomes your legacy. This ain't fate, this is design. This ain't luck, this is my art. This ain't fate, this is design. This ain't luck, this is my art. I'm not chosen, I'm built for this. Yeah. I walked through fire, came out refined. Pressure made purpose, I sharpened my mind. Seen both sides where the darkness align. With light that remind me I'm more than a climb. I don't get lost in the pull of extreme. I stand in the space in between all the scenes. Where chaos collide with all the unseen. That's why I move, that's why I breathe. Weight on my soul, but I carry it steady. Storm all around, but I'm already ready. I don't react, I align when it's heavy. I'm moving in tension, I keep it sitting. I balance chaos, I balance order. Walk through the line, I don't cross the border. Read between words, I carry the torch. Freedom in motion, can't nobody force it. Yeah, I balance power, I balance truth. Every decision, finding the proof. I don't divide, I connect what's loose. Freedom revolution, I bring it through. Yeah, I don't lean to the left or right. I hold the weight and I make it right. Every step got purpose in sight. Even in dark, I'm guided by light. They try to pull me to pick a side, but I see both, I don't live in pride. I move with clarity deep inside. That's how I lead, that's how I guide. I'm not here just to fight or win, I'm here to